Sama halnya dengan kesehatan fisik, kesehatan mental perlu dijaga.
It's really important for us all to keep in mind that anywhere between 25 and 30% of Americans will struggle with some sort of mental health problem at some point in their lives.
Tapi bila gangguan kesehatan fisik sering memaksa orang langsung ke dokter atau spesialis, tidak demikian dengan gangguan kesehatan mental.
Over time, mental health problems have become less and less stigmatized. However, there are many people who still hold stigmatizing views of mental health concerns, either for themselves or in others, and that makes it harder for us all to talk about it and for people to ultimately get the help they need.
Perawatan kesehatan mental penting mengingat dampaknya juga bisa meluas ke kesehatan fisik.
People with depression are at elevated risk of cardiovascular disease, similar to people with high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Therefore, my team and I conducted the EMPACT clinical trial to find out if treating depression could reduce one's risk of developing cardiovascular disease.
Peneliti dari Indiana University menelaah pasien selama 5 tahun menggunakan metode terapi jarak jauh atau telehealth yang kini lazim dilakukan sejak pandemi COVID.
Specifically, we delivered cognitive behavioral therapy, also called CBT, over the internet using an interactive computer program and over the phone with a live therapist. And we found that the intervention worked. So in primary care patients with depression, who are all from the safety net healthcare system, we found that 43% of patients who received our modernized intervention had their depressive symptoms cut in half, compared to only 17% of patients who received usual care for their depression.
Selama darurat pandemi, teknologi telehealth atau konsultasi virtual jarak jauh berkembang pesat dan memungkinkan orang untuk melakukan konsultasi kesehatan tanpa meninggalkan rumah mereka. Selepas darurat pandemi pun teknologi ini masih berguna dan digunakan dan membantu orang untuk mengakses layanan kesehatan mental di tempat-tempat yang tidak banyak penyedia layanan kesehatan seperti ini.
Penggunaan teknologi hanya salah satu metode saja.
So of all the strategies that are out there to help us manage our mental health concerns and give advice to others, I want to highlight a few that I think are pretty strong and backed by good research. There's mindfulness, there's expressive writing or journaling, there's walking in green spaces, there's taking a different perspective on things. Exercise can also be helpful, as well as really challenging yourself to do something new.
Hubungan sosial yang kuat juga menjadi salah satu fondasi kesehatan mental. Di tengah meluasnya rasa kesepian di Amerika yang menurut pejabat medis AS menjadi krisis kesehatan terkini. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.